Ma, kulang na po yung bigas para sa hapunan natin.
50 pesos, bili mo muna ng 1 kilong bigas.
Hindi nga po.
Ano yun?
Magkano po bang 1 kilong bigas?
55 lang. Bakit?
Ay, pwede po bang mamaya na lang yung 5?
Sige. Ito.
Makulang daw po ng 5 yung pinadala niyong pera, sabi ni Kanang na.
As the rice price increases, consumers have less money to spend on their essential goods and services, such as healthcare, education, and transportation.
This can lead to increased poverty and hardship, especially for families who dedicate their large portion of income to the rice consumption.